I did mine. I did.
I didn't do mine.
Yeah.
So happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday to you too.
Today we are going to be reviewing proper appearances. And we are going to review the math worksheets that were sent out. So we're going to start on the proper appearance. So I know on Monday we spoke about that a little bit. Who can tell me what that is? Who can tell me what proper appearance is?
Inappropriate clothing.
Clothing, right? And what else?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Correct.
Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Hygiene, yeah.
Very good.
Shower.
Showering. Very good. And when do we have to take into consideration
Deodorant.
and deodorant? Yeah. But when do we have to take into consideration those proper appearances and the proper attire? What are the different occasions that we have to think about?
Church and go on a job interview.
Very good. A job interview, right?
Yeah.
Just going into work.
Too.
Right? When we go in daily, we have to make sure we wear our proper attire. Like Carrie, when you work at the wood shop, what is it that you have to make sure you have?
Say that again.
When you work in the wood shop, what's the proper attire that you should wear when working at the wood shop?
Closed-toed shoes.
Closed-toed shoes.
Good job.
What else?
Your gloves.
Don't forget your glasses.
Gloves and earmuffs.
Oh, earmuffs.
And safety glasses.
Hi, everybody. We got somebody here to say
Thank you.
hi. Guys.
Yeah. Was you ringing us, Lisa?
Yeah, I don't know.
Was you ringing us,
Here's you
Lisa?
guys.
I see you.
Of course, I saw her tape.
Okay.
She's not
Lisa
there.
just want to say hi real quick. Go ahead, guys. Sorry.
That's okay. It's okay.
Right, CJ said it's okay, so it's okay.
She actually
Right,
knows.
so when Miss Carrie goes into work at the wood shop, or Mr. Luke, they have to make sure that they wear the proper attire to be able to perform the job. That's closed-toed shoes, long pants, that's, shirts that are not dangling, that's tying your hair back.
Safety goggles.
Safety goggles, exactly. Those are the proper things that she needs to be able to complete that job, right?
Right.
So we are going to review one of the pages from Monday, and I'm going to bring it up on my screen so everyone can have it if you don't have it.
Right.
And we're going to work on it together, and we're going to review some math.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but for today, we're going to do this. We're going to start with this sheet.
This one?
Okay, do you guys see it?
Yes.
Oh, you see that now.
I don't. Monday.
I think you were on the call.
I didn't get this on Monday.
I didn't get that Monday.
This is totally different.
It's okay. So I sent out the proper appearance, and then I
No,
sent
I
out the
didn't
Monday
get-
one.
Well, we can do it together here.
Okay.
You see it on the back screen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Everyone sees it?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to read the instructions, and it says, put the clothes and accessories in the correct category. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different categories that we need to fill in. Can we read out the categories? Gabe, do you want to read the first category?
Cap.
No, in the bottom. So right here, the different categories that we'll be filling in.
Okay. Trendy.
Nope, the first one is right here, and it says women's clothing.
Oh, okay.
You see it?
Yep.
Okay. So that's one of the categories that we have to choose from the words above, and we have to make sure it's in the right category. What's the next one? Jose?
The men's clothing.
Very good. Kirsha? What's the next one?
Support.
Sports?
Shorts.
Sportswear?
Sportswear.
Very good. So that is, hold on, there's some noise going on. Okay.
Sorry.
And Luke, the next one?
Hang on.
Underwear.
Underwear night and nightwear.
Very good, Luke. Yes, underwear and nightwear. And Jason, what's the next one? You don't have the sheet. It's okay. Ashley, you want to read it to me? It's on the screen.
Feeling
Foot.
what?
Footwear.
Footwear. Yes,
Footwear.
footwear.
Very good.
Including feet.
And then it has to do with feet. Yes, it's a different. And then the last one, Carrie.
Accessories.
Accessories. Very good.
Good job.
So we're going to go through the words on the top and we're going to put them in the correct category, okay?
Okay.
So the first one, Gabe already read it for us, and that's a cap. So where would you guys put a cap under? Sportswear, men's clothing, women's clothing, footwear, accessories.
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 Accessories? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put it in the last column.
Very good.
Accessories. So that's how you spell it, C-A-P. Okay. Who wants to read the next one for me?
Make that T-P. Dress for women's clothing.
Very good, Carrie. Yes. And what are some places that you would wear a dress to?
Job interview.
Very good. Or what else?
Funeral and church.
A church. An activity, right? Like a
Movie theater.
No, I mean, it depends the type of dress. But like a gala, you would wear a dress, right? So it always depends. It's very important to know what the occasion is before you start wearing those that attire. Because if, let's just say, they invite you to a party and it's at a pool, are you gonna wear a gala dress?
Yeah, you can wear a bathing suit underneath your sundress.
Sundress. Very good. All right, so we're gonna put dress under women's clothing. Okay, what's the next one? Who wants to read that one for me? After dress.
I'm trying to think about what's the word.
So it starts with a G. Gl.
On the G one?
I don't know what
It says gloves.
gloves.
Gloves. What you want?
What are gloves?
Gloves in your hands.
Very good, CJ and Ashley. So what category does gloves go into?
Both.
On the boat.
Look at the categories. So it's women's clothing, men's clothing, sportwear, underwear, footwear, and accessories.
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 We're gonna
Yep,
put gloves
that's a good one.
under accessories.
S.
All right, who can read the next one?
I'm gonna put here dress. No. Up here, put dress.
Who can read the next one? So after gloves, it's what does it say?
Says
Running.
different pants.
Can you guys see that one right here?
Yeah.
So what does that say? It's a running vest.
Oh, running vest.
So what category does that go in?
Athletic.
Sportswear.
You're right, Ashley, exactly. Sportswear. It's a different word for athletic.
Yeah.
So sportswear. So running vest will go in the third column. Sportswear.
And forklift.
Okay?
Okay.
On top of that. What's on top of that?
Okay. And the next one. Can someone read that one to me right here?
Samples.
Sample.
So where does that one go under?
Footwear.
Very good. Everyone on the same page?
Yes.
Yeah, see it.
You're working on the math one? Is that the one you have, CJ?
No. Yes, no, this is not mine.
Say no.
No. Sorry, I just, never mind.
What worksheets do you have in front of you?
Huh?
CJ, I'm talking to Jason. Give me a second.
Sorry.
Thank you. Jason?
They're all put in the book. Put up.
What worksheets do you have in front of you?
We only have the math.
Okay, I just want to make sure you only have the math. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so the next one on the list after sandals is what? Gabe?
Shirts.
Shirt. So what category can that one go in? This one should
Men's
probably be multiple.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I was thinking too.
So what's the multiple categories? Jose?
Women's clothes.
Yep. Gabe?
Yeah, the shirt could be women's clothing or men's, either one.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and put it in both, right? Because it can
Yes.
apply to both.
Yep.
All right. So the next one is Carrie.
Skirt.
Skirt.
Women's clothing.
Very good. A skirt. Okay. Luke, you want to read the next one to me?
Boxer shorts.
Very good.
Man.
No, but let's look at the categories. It says women's clothing, men's clothing, sportwear, underwear, nightwear, footwear, and accessories. So what category would boxer shorts go under?
Nightwear.
Underwear.
They already said
Yeah,
it.
I agree.
Very good. All right, and the next one, Kircha, you want to read that one to me?
This one's been about 5.
After boxer shorts. So right here.
It's really small.
You're close. Keep on going. Very
Good job.
Good job, Kircha. Good job.
Thanks.
So,
Now we'll go on accessories.
oh, she's so good.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
All right, a watch, because that is an accessory, right?
Yes.
Yes.
That's an added on. So, all right, the next one. Jose, you want to read that one for me? After watch, right here.
Yeah. The next one is trousers.
Where would that one go under?
With that one, I put in the men's clothing.
Men's under trousers under men's?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I agree.
Okay.
That's an old-fashioned term for men's pants.
Correct. That's
Yeah.
why.
Old-fashioned. We don't say it much anymore, but it's still a word, right?
Men's department.
My dog is barking.
It's okay.
Okay.
All right. And what about the next one? Harry,
Tie.
you want to say hi to everyone, Miss Harriet? We have a visitor very quick.
Hey, Mama.
Hello,
Hello.
guys.
Two.
How you doing, boss?
Come here.
We miss you all.
Come
Are
here.
you enjoying your lessons?
Yeah, man. How are you? This is what that dude.
Good job. And Miss Nash and her team and everybody's been doing a wonderful
Oh, you
job.
Harriet?
Y'all gonna get a big quiz when you come back now.
That's right.
Okay? All that knowledge, and we're gonna have a big quiz. We're gonna see who's been naughty or not. All right, miss you guys. Be safe, okay?
All right.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Sorry. I got him over here.
I got it over here.
What was the next one?
Yeah.
Her name is Michelle.
Very good.
Men's clothing.
Men's clothing, right?
Yeah.
There.
She's a little bit younger, so we're not doing anything stupid. Remember that girl? Yeah.
Jason, are you at least paying attention now?
Yeah, I paid attention.
Okay. All right, what's the next one? Gabe, you want to read that one for me?
Tights.
Tights.
Oh,
Women's clothing.
Very good.
good job.
Good job.
Well done.
All right, so yours should be looking like this.
Okay.
There's that.
Okay. And the next one? Jose, you want to read that one for me?
The next one, tracksuit.
Very good. What would that one go
Yes.
under?
That would go in sportswear.
Sportswear, right?
Outfit either person will wear.
To
And
work
these
out, right?
days, it seems like we always hear the word jogging suit too. I feel like
Yes,
it's the
that's
same
a different
thing.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and the
I do
next
not know
one?
this next one.
I would, well, who's going to read it?
Trousers.
No, we already did that one.
Okay.
It's after tracksuit.
Trousers.
No.
Sock.
Trainers.
Trainers.
Trainers. We're looking at this word right here.
Oh, yeah. Trainers.
Oh,
Everybody looks
Okay.
dumb.
Not everyone knew where. I would put that under sportswear.
Yes, definitely. That makes sense.
I mean,
oh.
you can have different type of trainers, waist trainers. I mean, it just depends the type of
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so let's put that one under sportswear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and Luke, you want to read the next one? After trainers, right here.
Blouse.
Blouse.
Good job.
Very good.
Yeah.
What category does that fall in?
Women's wear.
Yep. Men don't usually call their shirt a blouse, do they?
No.
No, they don't.
Corduroy.
Corduroy?
Corduroy side.
Oh,
Uh,
all right. And they spelled this kind of different, but, or maybe this is But, all right, who can read that one? The next one. Gabe, you want to read that one?
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Oh, I
I've
thought it
never,
was piranha.
That is not how
Sorry.
you spell pajamas.
I've never spelled pajamas like that, but you know.
But we know what they are.
It's
Go to
PA,
bed in
everybody.
anyways.
PA.
It's a nightwear.
But we know what pajamas are. It goes under nightwear, right?
Good
Yeah.
job.
What's another abbreviation we know pajamas for?
PJ.
Thank you. So that's another form of writing pajamas.
Mhm.
Oh,
Okay. Ashley, what's the next one in the bottom?
Here is Linus. DRESSING.
All right, but what does that sound? What does that say?
Dressing.
Dressing. Very
Very good.
good. And then what's the second word? What sound does the G make?
Outer.
What sound does the G make?
G.
Right. So what sound does the O make?
Ah.
O. Not ah. O.
Mhm.
So if you already have the G and the O,
Sounds like ow.
close. Gown.
Gown.
good.
Very
Good job.
Good job. So say it all together. You knew the first word.
Dress gown.
No, what's the ing in the dress?
Ing.
Okay, so say it,
Dressing.
Yep.
say
Say
it
it all
all together.
Dressing.
Gown.
Gown.
Very good.
Dressing
All
gown.
right, so a dressing gown, right? Who would wear that? Kirsha?
Ladies.
Ladies, right? Women. So we're gonna put that in the first category, right? A dressing gown. Okay. And Jose, you want to read the next one?
Okay. The next one is handkerchief.
Where would that one go under?
Well, traditionally, meaning way back, it's something that men always had with them in their pocket, and also women had in their purses.
Very good.
So, I mean, that's kind of the customary. So I guess that would be it both.
But let's look at the category. So it's women's clothing, men's clothing, sportswear, underwear, footwear, and accessories.
I have it in an accessory
Right.
column.
Because it's in
'Cause you
addition
don't
to
wear
our
it.
normal attire, right?
Right.
Right.
It's not on
So we're
you,
gonna
it's
put
with you.
handkerchief under accessories.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Luke, you want to read the next one?
Next one.
Slippers.
Very good. Slippers. And what category would it go under?
Women's clothing. Women's
Nightwear.
nightwear.
Or what about footwear? Because isn't that part of the attire that your feet wear?
Yes.
All right. So let's put slippers under footwear.
Yeah.
Because slippers can be for men and women, right?
Yeah.
Men and women can have slippers.
Yeah.
So let's look at the next one. I've never heard of this one in my life, but you know.
I think it's more like a European word, but I've heard of it.
A waist, I'll say it. It's a waistcoat.
It's what it is a short coat, not a long coat. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay. So I guess that would be for both though, right?
Unisex.
Usually women on this one, but it's such a weird word.
Okay.
But I think both men and women could wear a short coat if we want to call it short coat.
Okay. So we can put it in both categories, men and women.
I gotta figure out how to get those.
So a waistcoat.
Needle nose pliers. What? Needle nose pliers. I can't grip the edge of it. It's in the way.
Okay. And I'll say the last two because they're both going to go in the same category. So shoes and socks. Everyone can tell me. Who does
That other.
where does that go?
Footwear.
Right. Is it important to? Hey, Jason. Is it important to wear clean socks every day?
Yeah. I wear them all day long. Twice a week.
Yeah, you can wear them all day long, but are you going to wear the same ones the next day?
5 days.
Is that good hygiene, Jason?
Yeah. I think it's hygiene.
For a week, I don't know.
CJ,
Yeah.
is it good hygiene to wear new socks and clean socks every day?
Yeah.
Yes, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
All right, so we're going to put shoes and socks under footwear.
Where?
All right, so the next section, it says, write the following adjectives into the sentences. All right, so I'm going to read the sentence and then we can determine what word goes in there. He looks really blank. His clothes are old and dirty and he hasn't shaved. So the words that they're giving us are trendy, scruffy, smart, stylish, or old-fashioned.
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 So let's look at the sentence again. He looks really blank.
Blank.
His clothes are old and dirty and he hasn't shaved.
Right.
Dirty.
Very.
Scruffy.
Good.
Very good. Scruffy. We're going to put that scruffy word in the first blank.
Yay.
The fourth one.
See if you could to work close with it. I'll talk to you about it.
All right, the second one. Italians are very blank. Both men and women dress very well. So what are we talking about? We're talking about how well men and women dress. So what blank? So we've already used scruffy, so we can take that one out.
Yep.
So we have trendy, smart, stylish, or old-fashioned.
I think it's fashion.
Stylish.
Stylish?
Stylish, yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Trisha? Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put stylish in the second blank.
Yep.
Stylish.
All right. The third one. She's very blank. She always wears the latest fashion.
That's an old fashioned.
Trendy.
Yeah.
Trendy. Definitely trendy.
Right. Because she's trendy means that you are staying in the latest trend, right? The
Yep.
latest fashion that's in, or the newest bag that just came out. I wish I could live like that.
Let's get one of the words inside.
So she's very what? Trendy, right?
Very
Right.
trendy.
Yeah, I think that one.
Okay. The next one, number 4. That tie is very blank. People don't wear such wide ones anymore.
Right.
Ashley?
After Labor Day.
Okay.
Huh?
She said,
You don't wear white stuff after Labor Day. It's tacky.
No, but they're talking about wide ones, like the tie is wide. It's so that's what they're talking about. That tie is very blank.
oh.
And that people don't wear them like that anymore.
Right.
What?
That's good. That's good.
Old fashioned.
There you go.
Good.
You got it.
Good job. All right, so let's write old fashioned in there.
Yeah.
Fashion. Or somewhere.
All right, so we've already used trendy, we've used stylish.
Yeah.
So last one, Jason.
Well,
Jason.
I took this credit card, the other one's in the car.
So number 5, you ought to wear a blank
That's the one in the car.
suit for your job interview.
There's one laying in the car.
Yeah, there's a couple.
So,
Wait, that doesn't make sense.
It's a different way of using that word, but it just means like a really nice one.
That's one.
Art.
Right.
Okay. This must have been from England.
It sounds like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is like it.
You ought to wear a smart suit
Hey.
for your job interview.
So that just means like a really nice one, you know?
Yeah, no, I know that, right, Kate?
Yes. So the last one is going to say smart.
Smart.
Okay. So let's go on to the last section on the page.
Okay.
It says, circle the odd word out in each line. Then explain what the other words all have in common in the space provided. So we won't have to write, we'll just do an open discussion, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one, it says awful, old-fashioned, scruffy, and cool. So what word sticks out and doesn't make sense with the other word?
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Right. Because they're explaining something not being so cool, being awful, scruffy, and cool is the one that just sticks out and it doesn't belong in that description.
Yeah.
All right. What about the next one? Baggy, fluffy, smooth, furry.
Baggy.
Hygiene.
Baggy?
Good job.
Okay.
Because the other ones are describing a texture, right? Fluffy, smooth, or furry. And baggy is describing something different, like loose, baggy.
That's very good. Okay.
Okay, so did we pick the word that was a circled word?
Cool was the first one, and then baggy was the second one.
Oh, the second one.
Why baggy? I don't understand that.
Kate, you want to explain that?
Yeah, so if you look at the words fluffy, smooth, and furry, they're all talking about a texture.
Of
And the
animal fur.
baggy is different. It's talking about like a looseness or something different other than a texture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought you were talking about that.
It's like fake fur, but not real fur.
I think there's 4. I mean, fur.
I mean, when you think about fluffy and baggy, they're all full.
Yeah.
Right? But then if you look at the other ones, you see how those 3 go together. Fluffy,
Right.
smooth, and furry. And
That's
baggy's
very
kind
good.
of different.
Yeah, right.
It's like when you don't wear a belt and they're baggy to your pants, say that.
Yeah.
I disagree, but I had to put it out there.
All right, let's stay on task. All right, the next one is fleece, leggings, hoodie, or a cagoule.
Cool.
I never saw that word.
I'm going to go to my handy dandy Google.
I think the Google one.
I think it's going to be leggings is the odd one out because a fleece is like a sweater, a hoodie is like a sweater, and I'm guessing a cagoule is going to be a sweater of some kind.
It is.
They're all.
And then leggings go with your legs, not your, like a
Yeah.
sweater
I
does.
think they're gonna roast.
It is. So it's like a raincoat.
Oh, okay.
Also learning different words.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Okay, so we said leggings is the one that we're circling because it's the odd one out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
The next one, CJ.
Yes.
Platforms, beanies, socks, sandals.
I think it's sandals. Right.
Who else said something else?
The beanie.
Beanie.
Beanie,
job.
right? Right. Because they're wearing, the beanie goes on the head and they're talking about footwear. Right?
Platforms are big high heel shoes, right, Nash?
Yeah, right. I think there's shoes too.
All right, the next one. Sleeve, cuff, lace, collar.
Your collar on your head.
Which one of those just doesn't fit in?
Collar can get messed up either way because you don't iron it the right way.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But what do collar, cuff, and sleeve have in common?
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
Sleeve.
Yep.
They're all on a shirt, right?
Yes, they all have buttons.
And laces, that's what we tie our shoes with. That's different.
Yeah, that's the one that stands out and I think is a circle word.
Awesome, very good. So which one did we say? Lace?
Laces.
Yeah.
Very good, I agree. So we're gonna circle laces. All right, the next one, mini skirt, dress, blouse, and vest.
Vest.
I'm sorry to say, but mini skirt that's
Who was that other guy you were talking to? I know who he is, but what were you guys talking
That
about?
one's harder for me.
Yeah.
But a
He
vest,
is kind of a jerk.
I can see it as a vest is something a woman wouldn't wear. And a blouse, dress, and a mini skirt is something a woman would wear.
No.
Right? What do you guys
Well,
think?
I mean, I get what you're saying, but the way I look at it, everything here beyond the dress is part of an outfit, while the dress is the entire outfit.
Oh, that's an interesting
That's
way to
another
look at
way.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Okay,
can see that
I like
too.
that one. That's a very good way to look at it. See, this was why we do our open discussions, so we can all discuss the way we think and how maybe it could change the way Kate and I think. Now nobody's perfect, so.
no.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is body, stripy, checked, or plain. What do you guys think?
That's a tough one.
That's a hard one, isn't it? What can we
I'm
see in
thinking
common with any of these words? Let's find that first. I mean, they're
We need a
descriptions.
dictionary to describe that.
It's not like that.
I
It's not that one. Yeah.
So what do you guys think about this one, though? Which one stands out?
I'm thinking
Plain.
Yeah.
The plain stood
You're
out
thinking
for
what?
me.
Say it again.
checked.
What are you thinking, Jose?
It's plain because all the others are special treatment
Right.
that is imposed to it.
Yeah.
Except plain is just blasé.
Right.
Yeah, I think it's because it has a pattern,
I think so too. Yeah, pattern.
and plain has no pattern. So I
Right.
feel like it stands out. So we are circling plain.
Right.
My brain agrees.
All right, stylish, trendy, elegant, or dull?
I think it's all.
Doll.
Very good, CJ. Dull, exactly.
Boy, you guys are quick. Good job.
Yeah, we're quick.
All right, so we're gonna circle dull. All right, bottom, button, logo, buckle, zip. Which one do you guys think doesn't go with it?
Oh, I know this one. I'm not telling though.
That one right there.
Don't. Let us guess.
What is that they're doing?
That-
You want me to give you guys a clue?
It does a clue.
This
Okay.
is the first worksheet from Monday, Kim. The proper appearance.
Yesterday. Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday.
So
Yeah.
you ready for the clue, everybody?
All right,
Yeah.
what's the last? Let's just finish up this last one.
So listen to the clue for number 9. 3 of those words are something you can do, and one of them isn't.
Logo.
Very good.
Because you can button a shirt, you can buckle pants, and you can zip something, but you can't logo something.
That's
Very
right.
good. So
That's
we're gonna go
exactly
ahead
right.
and circle logo.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's move on to our math worksheets. Very good job on proper appearance.
Yeah, there you go.
I gave you guys a little bit of an idea on the different types of clothing that really comes into putting an outfit together. You can have accessories, you can have footwear, but then also it teaches you that if you go to an interview, are you going to wear your tracksuit?
No.
Right?
Our clothes.
You're going to wear a blouse or a dress or a button-down shirt. You know, there's proper clothing for the proper occasion.
Dress pants.
All right.
So we're
So we're going to move on to the worksheets. We're only going to do a few of them from each worksheet. We're not going to do all of the questions on all the pages. So if you didn't do it, we'll work on it together in the beginning, and then you can continue the ones that we've left blank.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to start on this one, and I'll put it on the back screen as well.
On the back screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
You guys have this one, Inspired Living?
Yes. 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 We do. Yes, we do. Louis?
Okay, first one?
So we're going to work with who has more.
Who has more? Okay. Right. Who has more? Who has more?
I see it.
Yeah, I see it. That's it
We're going to
now.
do the first 3.
That's the one.
All right.
All right. So let's just say this is Tom and Emily.
Emily.
All right. Why isn't it?
Hi, Emily. Yeah, I
Yeah,
see it.
I'm just strolling over. Never mind.
Yeah, you got to find the right page if you're on your phone.
Is this right here?
No, it's just like doing that strolling thing. It says Inspire of Central Florida has started.
Yes. So scroll over the other direction. You're on a different page. Like go the other way. With your hand swipe, I mean.
It like bumped me out. Now it's other. Why isn't it-
All right, we're all good?
I'm not. I'm being.
How's that one?
Hold on.
Inspired Living, do you guys have that sheet in front of you?
Yes.
I don't know what was wrong.
Okay, we're all good?
We're good.
We good?
Okay. So how much money does Tom have? You can calculate that.
46 cents.
Okay,
Good job.
very good.
That was today.
So there's a quarter. How much is a quarter?
25.
20.
25 cents, right? And then 2 dimes. So how much is 1 dime worth, CJ?
10.
Very good. So if we have 25 plus 1 dime is how much?
25.
25.
35. Right,
That
Robert?
was it.
And then Robert, if we add another 10 cents to 35, how much is that?
45.
Very good.
Good job.
Plus 1 penny. Jose, what's the total? Plus 1 penny from 45?
46 cents.
Very good. So 46 cents.
Hey, where is it? Woo-hoo!
So we're gonna write 46 on that corner, and then we're gonna see how much Emily has. Carrie, you want to tell me how much Emily has? Can you see it?
25. Oh, geez. 25.
Right here.
No,
Oh, wait.
that's the boy. This is the girl.
She said how much per
45.
46 cents he had.
That is a
45.
No, she has.
all right. So we have how many? What are the coins that we have here? We have 3 dimes.
3 dimes.
Are these library good anymore? They don't use these kind of library cards anymore, do they?
I used to have a blue one.
Okay. Sorry. A lot of noise going on in the back. Okay, so Carrie said 45 cents, right? So let's just make sure Carrie's right. So we have 3 dimes, right? How much is 1 dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. So if we have if we have 3 dimes at 10 cents, what's the total? Don't laugh at me, Jose.
So count by tens.
Yeah.
So if we have 3 dimes and we're counting by 10, so 10.
20.
20.
30.
I heard it. 30, right.
30.
And then we have a nickel. How much is a nickel worth?
5.
Right. So Luke, what's 30 plus 5?
35.
Luke? Don't use your calculator.
Mm-mm. Aquí.
So what was it? 30 plus 5, you said?
Mm-hmm. Luke?
35.
30 plus 5?
Yeah.
35.
Good job.
Very good. And then 2 pennies. So 35.
36 and 7.
Very good.
Good job.
So Emily has 37 cents. So who has more, Tom or Emily?
Emily.
Tom's got it.
Yeah, because 45 to what, 37?
So who has more, CJ?
Huh?
Who has more, Tom or Emily?
Tom.
Very good.
Sure enough.
So we're going to go ahead and circle Tom's amount for that first one because Tom had more.
Perfecto.
All right. And the next one, Gabe?
Is 51.
Right. Good. Tom has 51 cents. And how much does Emily have? Kirsha?
Huh? Me?
Emily has he has 1 dime.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's 10.
Plus 10.
2 5s.
What is that
Donkey,
called?
yeah.
A nickel.
Very good.
And then it has 25.
Very good. So what is that called?
Quarter.
A quarter. Very good. So it's always important to start with your highest amount of bill or coin. It's just easier for you to add up.
Yeah.
So we always try to start with, if we have quarters, we try and calculate with quarters first. So you said you had 1 quarter at 25 cents.
25 cents.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
And we have a dime that you said it's 10 cents. So what's 25 plus 10?
25.
35.
DJ, give her a second. Let her answer this one.
Okay.
35.
Beautiful. So you said you have 2 nickels. 1 nickel is worth what?
A nickel worth 5. Yes.
It's Kircha's turn, bud.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
10.
Uh-oh.
Right. So you have 2 nickels, 1 at 5 cents. Together, it's 10 cents.
Yeah.
So if you already had 35 cents.
Yeah.
Plus the 10, what do you have? So 35 plus 10.
45.
25.
No, 35 plus 10.
35.
Plus 10.
How am I gonna add that?
Use your paper. Go ahead. 35 plus 10. That's 35 plus 10.
10. Right.
I'm waiting for her to figure it out so I don't blurt it out.
Good job, Ashley. Great, it's not your turn.
35.
35.
Almost.
Almost. So 35 plus 10. What is 3 plus 1?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. And what's 0 plus 5?
5.
Right. So what's 4 and 5 together?
45.
Very
Yeah.
good. So how much does Emily have?
Emily?
I think it's
You just said it.
45.
Very good. Good job. So who has more, Kirsha? Tom, who has 51 cents, or Emily, who has 45 cents?
Emily.
Is 45 bigger than 51?
No.
Okay, so who has more?
I think.
Hold on, Robert. You'll do the next one.
Yep, she said Tom.
She said Tom. I'm sorry, I wasn't hearing. Tom, right. Good job. So Tom has how much, Jose?
Yep.
How much does Tom have?
He had more.
How much does Tom have, Stephanie?
Tom had 51.
Very good.
Yep.
Good. So we're going to go ahead and circle that up for Mr. Tom. Tom is winning.
Woo, Tom.
And Ashley, I had to get off my phone and get on Luke's phone too, so I don't know what happened.
Okay, hon. That's okay. I'm glad to have you on, so.
Okay.
All right. Robert, you want to do the next one?
Sure.
How much does Tom have?
Tom got 40 cents.
Okay. So stop right there. Hold on. Hold on. Because I know you're my mathematician over here. Give me a second. We got to break it down for those other ones. We have all different levels on our Zoom call, so we have to, you know, work together. So you said you had 1 quarter, right? How much is the quarter?
Quarter.
How much is 1 quarter worth?
25 cents.
25 cents. Very good. And then what else do you have there? What else did Tom have? He had 1 quarter and how many what?
3 nickels.
Very good. CJ, let him do it, CJ. Thank you. So 3 nickels, right? Robert,
Yeah.
and what's 1 nickel worth?
5 cents.
Right. So if we have 3 nickels, that's 5.
15.
15. Very good.
15.
So what's 25 plus 15? Robert, do it on your paper if you need to do it. What's 25 plus 15?
40.
Yep.
Very good. I was doing it on my paper to show you guys. But yeah. Here, I'm going to give you a breakdown because you carry the 1, right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. Put the 0 down here, and you use what to the 1? CJ, let him concentrate, please. So you put the 0 in the bottom, Robert, and what do you do with the 1?
Carry.
Very good. You carry it, and then 2 plus 1 is what?
4.
2 plus 1.
3.
Very good. Now 3 plus 1.
It's 4.
Okay, and what does the 4 and the 0, what is that number?
40.
40 what?
46.
Very good.
Oh, man. Okay.
So Tom has 40 cents. Gabe, do you want to tell me how much Emily has on the other side?
Yep.
Okay.
55.
Did Emily win this one? We'll see. So what do you have there, Gabe? What coins?
I have a quarter and 3 dimes.
Okay, and a quarter, we said it's worth how much?
25.
25. And then we said we had 3 dimes, and what's 1 dime worth?
10.
10. So what's all 3 dimes worth?
30.
30, very good. So 30 plus 25 is what?
55.
Very good. So who has more?
Emily.
Emily! Emily! All right, so here we see it. Emily. Okay, very good. We're going to move on to the next page. We're going to move on to this one, the addition. We're going to do the first 3 on the top. And I'm going to put it on the back screen.
All right, I think we're almost done.
Yeah,
Alright.
I got it.
Clear.
So we're loose.
All right, do you guys see it?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
This,
Okay.
one with the map.
Yes. All right,
Yeah, that's it.
Jason, since I haven't really heard you talk, why don't you do the first one for me?
Yeah, they don't let me talk, so I just had to shut up.
Okay. So number 1, can you tell me what number we're adding to what number?
54.
Jason,
Huh?
can you tell me number 1? What numbers are we adding together?
Okay. All right, 66, 40, 66.
No, the other sheet.
Oh, this one? Oh, yeah, this one.
45. Okay.
Addition.
Yeah, the addition one. The one that starts with 54.
54, 46, 40, 40.
50, wait, but we have, what are you saying 54, 46 to? 54, 46 what?
$55, 46 cents.
Very good.
49.
$49.
$49.06.
Very good.
Good job.
Right, it's important to say $54.46, right? Because someone can hear that and they can think, oh, that's 5,446, right?
That's true. That's true.
All right, so let's add these together. So $54.46 plus $49.06. All right, so what do we do first? Do we have the answer or do we want to do it together?
What do you guys want?
Jason, do you have the answer?
Oh, sorry.
Do I do it all together or?
You can tell me the answer.
10 dollars and 52. Got that?
Nope. Read that again.
10 6 cents, 30.
Where's the point at?
No,
It's right. It's
okay, $10 80.52.
No. So I think it's 103.52.
Yeah.
Why don't we do this one together? Because this one's a little tough one, okay?
Good idea.
Okay. Robert, what's 6 plus 6? Yes.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you. 12.
Very good. So we're going to put the 2 all the way on the right-hand side, right? And then what are we going to do with the 1?
Got carried.
Carry it, right. We're going to carry it up top. And what's 4 plus 1? What's 4 plus 1, Robert?
5.
5. Very good. CJ, what's 5 plus 0?
0.
No. 5 plus 0. If you have $5 and I give you nothing, what do you have?
0.
Nope. Look at my hands. 5. If you have 5 and I give you nothing.
Was done it, right?
How much do we have up?
6.
Look at my hands.
Okay.
5 plus 0.
Was 0, right?
How much fingers do I have up?
Yeah, 5.
Very good. So 5 plus 0 is always the number.
Right.
Okay, so what's 5 plus 0, CJ?
5.
Very good. So with the decimal, do I do this out or do I leave it on top? Here's that. With the decimal, do I put it down or do I leave it on top?
You're breaking up, Ashley.
Oh, I am.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's not good, though. I know.
Carrie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Carrie, do I bring the decimal down or do I leave it up top?
Bring it down.
Bring it down. So we bring that decimal all the way down. Okay, Jose, what's 9 plus 4?
9 plus 4 would be 13.
Very good. So do I put the 13 down there or do I write the 3 and carry the 1?
You carry the 1, right?
Very good.
Wait, which problem are we on?
Number 1 on addition.
Oh, we're just going back to that. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So put the 3 down and then carry the 1 over the 5 for that column.
Very good. Jason, I'm back to you because this was your problem in the original. What's 5 plus 1, Jason?
5 plus 1.
Put your hands up if you need it. Put 5 fingers up and then you add 1. Yeah?
6.
Very good. 6. Hey, what's 6 plus 4?
10.
Very good. So Jason, you have your numbers right. You were just reading them in the wrong value. Oh, you had your numbers right. You were just reading them incorrectly. So I'm going to show you. When it's the places, right? Jason.
I don't find that funny.
Jason. Inspired Living, please stay on task.
Where's the back there?
You've been a lot in my ears. Sorry.
Jason.
I went out.
Okay. So can you read me the number, Ashley? If it's 103.52, what's the proper way to say it?
This one down here?
Number 1, yes.
$10.
No.
100 and
Let me see.
3.52.
Good. Yes. 103 and 50.
You're breaking up, Nash.
Nash, can I see your paper? Because I need to write down. 10.3. Okay. 10.35.
I wrote it wrong.
7. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I ask a bonus question real quick? Can anyone hear me? Does anybody
Yeah.
hear me? All right. This is the bonus question.
Let's get out of there.
You ready?
Ashley.
Who can answer this question? What is the job of the decimal point? What does it do? Robert got it. Go, Robert. Answer.
Between dollars and cents.
Hallelujah. Separate the dollars and the cents. That's right. Okay. Good. Good. We're gonna do the next one.
Decimal 42.
52.
He's good. He's really
Or
good.
52. Change that 4 to 5.
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna do the next one on this page, and then we're gonna move on to a subtraction one, just so we can get a little bit of all types of math. Coins. Okay, so the second one, who wants to read it for me? Gabe?
$93 plus $94.67.
Perfect. Awesome. Very good. Dollars and the cents, because it's very important to put those words into it. Okay, so CJ.
Yes.
What's 0 plus 7?
7. 8.
Nope. 7.
Hey.
What
Sorry.
about CJ? I got another one.
Yeah.
What's 0 plus 6?
6. 7.
Very good. So the first one, or the first two,
He's breaking out bad.
Sorry.
Up here and see. Oh.
Can't hear you at all, Ashley.
Yeah, I know. I can't hear her at all, Alicia.
Is that you, Kay?
That's her. That's a big boy.
Can you guys hear me now?
You.
Echoing and breaking up.
Alicia, I hear you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, CJ.
Hi.
It goes back to sports. Living. Say hi, Robert.
Hi, Robert.
Wait until he.
So guys, I'm going to give you a trick, okay? When you're adding this money together, whenever you see a decimal point, that's when you say dollars.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it's 6.46, it's $6.46.
All
right,
right.
Ashley?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it. You're doing a good job.
Can you guys hear me now?
I'm trying not to blur out the answer.
It's okay. You'll go soon.
Okay.
Ashley?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Much
We can
better?
hear you now.
Much better.
Okay. All right, so let's do number 2. So Ashley.
Yes.
What's the cents amount for number 2?
Now it's breaking up again. I don't know.
I feel like if I move it on this side. All right, can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, what's the cent amount for number 2?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
What is that?
It's 3 plus 4.
Nope, that's the dollar amount. I'm talking about the cents right here.
Can you see
What?
Ashley's screen, Ashley?
Yes, I see the screen.
Okay, she's pointing to the amount that's on the paper that she just wrote in.
Okay. It's 90.67.
67. Good job. 67 cents, right? So now we have to figure out what's the dollar amount. So what's 4 plus 3?
5, 6, 7, 8. 7, I mean.
Calculate it again. Oh, okay. Good. 7. Okay. And then what's 9 plus 9?
9 plus 9. 18.
Very good. So this is a big number that we're going to read right now. So can anyone read that number to me? You want to read that number, Ashley?
Huh? I'm trying to figure this thing out. Hang on.
67, right?
That's the cents. What's the dollars? Gabe, what's the dollars?
$187.
And what
And
cents?
67 cents.
Very good. These are big numbers, I know.
I had it right the first time.
Ashley's got a good point though.
I'm figuring it out, Nana.
If we ever want to check our work, we can check it on a calculator. So we can check on our own, but we can always double check things.
Yes. All right, so let's move on to the last page and we're going to review the first one. All right, we're going to do this first one and then we'll be done for the day.
Okay.
All right.
Just not
Carrie, do you want to read that one for me?
$66.34 minus $50.25 equals $26.11.
Wow.
Wow. Gary.
$26.11, right?
Good job.
Really?
Very good.
Good job, Carrie.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do the next one and let's do that one together.
Okay.
So that one says $22.77 minus $12.27. Right. So where do we start? Do we start on the left or the right?
Left.
Left.
On the left.
Robert?
Yeah.
We gotta start the right.
Yep. All the way to the right.
Correct. So if we're starting on the right, what's 7 minus 7?
Yeah.
Jose?
7 minus 7 would be 0.
Very good. Right, Ashley? Do you understand that?
All right. So this one's 0, 0, and the other one is 0, 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1, right?
Well, no, we're working from right to left. So yes, we said 7 minus 7 is 0. What's 7 minus 2?
0.
No.
2.
5.
Carrie?
Use your hands.
2.
I don't know which one is messed up.
If we have 7 and I'm taking away 2, 1, 2. How many do I have left?
Oh, 5.
5.
You see my hands, Ashley?
Yes, I see your hands.
So if you have 7 and you're taking away 1, 2, you have 5 left.
5.
Right?
Yeah, you have 2 minus 2 is 0.
Okay, and then 2 minus 1?
Is 1.
Very good. So what's the answer?
It's 10.5. 50.
50, very good. So 10 what?
$10.
$10 and
50 cents.
very good.
job.
Good
Yay.
job.
Very good.
Woohoo! You're okay, girl.
So we have reviewed quite a lot of information today. Anybody have any questions or concerns?
No.
No.
No?
No, I don't.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and end our Zoom here.
Okay.
Very good job, Ashley.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Robert.
Hey, listen, I got on you.
Hey, Robert.
Hey, Robert.
Bye.
Hey.
So, Jerry?
What's up, Jerry?
Hey, you're on, girl.
Bye, guys.